Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officers Adda 24/7, the special YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. Hope so, my voice is audible to all of you. A very good evening, Raja sir, and all of you. So this session that is totally dedicated to the JIIB candidates who just want to crack the JIIB exam in the first and the single attempt. So if you want to crack this exam, so the only way in which you can crack the exam is Adda 24/7, in which you can get the complete selection in only one paid batch. And if you want to purchase this batch, so simply what you have to do, first of all, if you are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. And this is the new complete selection batch which is going to be start from 12th of September. It's a complete selection batch. The timing will be, you can see in the timetable. So because in this batch you can get the live classes, ebooks, test series, and the recorded videos for the sixth one. So this is the only way in which you can crack your exam. So it's a complete selection batch. After that we will basically launch the crash course, or you can say the power pack. So that's why this complete selection batch will, in which we will teach in a very brief manner of all the subject of the module of your 1 ABCD. Okay, so that's all for this one. So let's start with the question and answer series, that is very important. And today class 81% discount is going on if you want, if you will purchase any batch. Now the first one is, what do you mean by the term class security interest? What is security interest mean? The first one is right, title, interest of any kind upon property created in favor of any secured creditor. This include mortgage, hypothecation, and assignment. And the last one is all of the above is the right answer. What is security interest? Security, as you know, that suppose if we want to take money from the creditor, so the borrower have to give something security to the creditor, that is called security. So here's Sneha Sharma ma'am, yes, it's a Bijawat sir, Anand sir. Okay, anyone, what will be the exact answer of first one? So the first one is absolutely that D is the right answer. Okay, A, B, C, D, D is the right answer of this one. Okay, that's cool. Next one. Dissolution of partnership firm take place. This topic has been taken from the Partnership Act. The topic is dissolution of partnership firm by mutual agreement amongst the partner to dissolve, death, insolvency, retirement of a partner, operation of law. What will be the right answer here? Dissolution of partnership firm take place if what? A very good evening to all of you. If you are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Dissolution of firm. Okay, could you tell me that if you have read the concept, that what are the ways in which we can dissolve the partnership firm? Anyone? The mutual agreement is there, death, insolvency, retirement, by operation of law. So I think these things are sufficient to understand. So that's why for this one, D is the right answer. In all the above points, we can easily dissolve our partnership form. So D is the right answer. Excellent. Shankar sir, Mamta ma'am, Rahul sir, Rohini ma'am. Excellent. Okay, now cool. Next. A retiring partner, retiring means the partner who is going to retire, has a right to carry on a business competing with that of the firm, but he cannot use firm name, represent himself to be the partner, solicit firm's existing customer. Which of the following is the right one? first and second, first and third, second and third, first, second and third. What will be the right answer here? A retiring partner means the partner who want to leave the partnership firm. Before retiring, he have to give the public notice. So you always have to remember for the public notice is important for the retiring partner. If he will not give public notice now, so the retiring partner will be liable. So that's why public notice is requirement. Mamta ma'am, why you said third one A? This is all this for this third one, D will be the right answer. Why? Because the retiring partner cannot use the firm name. This is absolutely right. He cannot represent himself to be the partner. No? Why should he will represent? So this is right answer. Solicit firms existing customer. This is absolutely right. So all the statements are right about the retiring partner. So that's why D is the right answer here. Okay, that's good. Good. Next. An agreement which is not enforceable by law is what? A contract, void, voidable contract, or void contract. What is the right answer? An agreement not enforceable by law is said to be what? Fourth one. That is very easy. Sneh ma'am, please see the question. In this question, ma'am, the only thing is we are talking about the agreement. So don't tick mark on the contract. Don't tick mark on contracts. Sneh ma'am. An agreement not enforceable by law. And this topic is very simple. Offer plus acceptance is equal to promise. Promise in legal term is called agreement. Agreement plus legal enforceability is equal to contract. So the agreement is said to be not enforceable. That is basically called B. Exactly. It won't convert into the contract. So that's why this B is the right answer. It's a void agreement. Okay, it's a void agreement that cannot be enforceable. And what is void agreement? That is from the initial stage, it is void. That is called void agreement. So that's why for the fourth one, B is the right answer. That's cool. Next. A agreed to pay B rupees 10,000 if two straight lines should enclose a space. The agreement is called what? Void, voidable, valid, or illegal. What will be the right answer here? Whether it is possible to join the Peller line. That is possible. Fifth one. Tell me, an A agree to pay B rupees 10,000 if two straight lines should enclose a space. So agreement is what? Excellent, Mamta ma'am. बहुत बढ़िया. So B is not the right answer. Some people have said B, but this is not the right answer. Why? Because whenever you tick mark on the void now, so always remember the word coercion, undue influence, fraud, and misrepresentation. If the contract will happen in these four things now, then your simply the contract will be voidable. What is voidable? One party have option to breach the contract, but in this one that agreement is totally void because it is not possible to join the two straight line. So that's why void is the right answer. No, exactly. Okay, A is the right answer. It's not voidable. Please remember this one because that thing is impossible from the initial stage. So that's why it is a void agreement. Fifth one, A is the right answer. Cool. Next. Where a person reciprocally promise. Reciprocal promise means one person is promising, another person is promising. That is called reciprocal promise. Firstly, the first promise is to do certain things which are legal. Okay. The second one is under the specified circumstance to do certain other thing which is illegal. Okay. It means the first promise, two promises are there. The first promise is legal, the second promise is illegal. Now you have to tell me the first set of promise is called dash and the second set of promise is called dash. Tell me. A very good question. Sixth one. Yes, what will be the right answer here? The first one is legal. Tell me, tell me, tell me. The first one is legal, the second one is illegal. The legal one, you can say, if the reciprocal means the one person have given the promise, another person has given promise. So in that case, if the first one is legal, so that is basically the contract. So the answer will be from C and D. Now the second is, but the second is illegal. So illegal is there. So it will be the void agreement now. Why it is called voidable? Voidable, always remember four words only. So that's why sixth one, C is the right answer. This C is the right answer. First of all, please check the question. Why you people are giving the wrong statement? The question is very simple. The first one is your contract. Why? Because that is a legal one. And for illegal, as we know that illegal agreement is from initial stage, it is void. So that's why for the sixth one, C is the right answer here. Got my point? Okay. C is the right answer. Cool. Next. In which circumstances the original contract need not be performed? If the parties to a contract agree to alter it, if the party to the contract agree to substitute a new contract, if all the party to contract agree to rescind it, and all of the above. What will be the right answer for the seventh one? For original contract, in which circumstance original contract need not be performed? If you know the concept of discharge of contract, then you can easily get this question. Discharge of contract. How you could tata bye bye the contract? How? So we can just discharge the contract when we will alter anything. substitute, and reskind. Reskind means cancel. So that's why D will be the right answer here. Okay, D will be the right answer here. That's good. Next question. When agreement is discovered to be void, or when the contract becomes void, it means agreement is discovered void, contract become voids. Any person who has received any advantage under such agreement or contract is what? If the agreement is void, contract is void, but in that void contract, if any person is receiving something profit, so so what it will be called? To make compensation for it to the person to whom he received, bound to restore it, means give back to the rightful owner, or need not to do anything in this regard. Eighth one. And the last one is both A and B are correct. And those candidates who are new in this session today, 81% discount is going on if you purchase the new selection batch, which is going to be start from 12th of September. Eighth one. Agreement is void, contract is void. Agreement and contract both are void class. So option A and B is correct, that to make compensation for it to the person to whom you received it and to restore to the rightful owner. So that's why 8-1 D is the right answer. Next, contingent contract. What is contingent contract? I will just give you one example, that is insurance. Okay, contingent contract to do nor to do anything if specified uncertain event happened within the fixed time become dash if at the expiration of the fixed time such event has not happened, or if before time fixed such event become impossible. The question is very simple. In the contingent contract, you have learned that the valid contract is depend upon the event. Got my point? The valid contract is depend upon the event. So tell me, in that case, that is a valid contract, if the event is impossible, if the event is impossible, that cannot be possible, so what will happen in the contract between the two parties? Event is impossible. Event is impossible. Why, Dinesh sir's name, ma'am? Why voidable? I have told you the four terms now. In fraud, coercion, undue influence, and your misrepresentation, the contract will be the voidable. So for ninth one, the exact answer is void is the right answer, because the event on which the contract is depend, that is impossible. So if that is impossible, exactly, so the contract will be void. So C will be the right answer here. So that's all for today's session. I think that is the end of the question. And your JIB batch, in which your LRB subject is going to be start from 5th of September. The timing will be 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Okay. And this is the batch 12th September. This is the new batch, complete selection batch, which is going to be start from 12th of September. The live classes are there, ebooks are there, test series are there, and the recorded videos are there. So if you want to enroll, you can. Exactly. Sneh ma'am, we cannot include only the life insurance, otherwise all the insurance will be included here. Okay, Sneh Sarma ma'am. Excellent, Neha ma'am. Proud of you. Okay, Sneh ma'am. So those candidates who have already enrolled in the batch, so you're from 5th September, we are going to start the session 6 a.m. to 7, and from 12th of September, your timing will be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. So this is the exact timing of your LRB subject. Okay. So if you want to enroll, the process is very simple because today 81% discount is going on. So what you have to do, simply click on this one, click on all courses, undergraduate, sorry, all courses, JIB, CIB, this is the English medium, and now click on this November. If you click on this, live classes are there, test series are there, ebooks are there, okay, and you can see your LRB subject will be start from 19th of September. The timing will be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. okay. Click on view offer and then put the coupon code Y391, click on apply, and as you can see the discount is 80%, and for 1% more discount you have to simply download the Adda app in the mobile, and through the mobile you can easily purchase the batch in which you can get 81% discount. So this is all about our courses. Okay, this is all about your courses. So if you want to get enrolled, please enroll in the upcoming batch, and 80% is going on. So if you are new in this session, you can also purchase the JIB CIB Mahapack. What is the quality and what are the things that's contained in JIB CIB ka Mahapack? That it basically contain all the upcoming batches of JIB, all the upcoming batches of CIB, test series, ebooks, etc. And your upcoming and the updated, the syllabus will be also included in JIB CIB ka Mahapack. So if you want to get enrolled, you simply have to click on this and then click on view offer, then put the coupon code here Y391, click on apply, and as you can see 9,000 only the actual price, and the validity is 1 year. It means 1 year whatever the upcoming changes that will come, it will include here. So if you purchase right now, so at least you can give the exam of your JIB and next year CIB. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.